Ever wonder how your favorite burger joint always has fresh buns and crispy lettuce even during shortages? It used to be a guessing game. Managers relied on last year's sales, weather forecasts, and gut instinct to order supplies, sometimes too much, sometimes too little. Too much meant wasted food and money. Too little meant disappointed customers and lost sales. The whole process ran on outdated tech, clunky spreadsheets, even pen and paper. Hours were wasted counting boxes and filling out forms, time better spent on customers and quality. Mistakes were common, and the supply chain was slow and full of stress. Restaurants either tossed out good food or ran out of favorites. The system was inefficient, expensive, and made everyone's job harder. From farm to tray, it was all guesswork. The fast food world needed a smarter, faster way to handle ingredients. They needed a system as reliable as their drive-thru. Enter artificial intelligence, AI, the ultimate kitchen assistant. AI isn't flipping burgers yet, but it's analyzing mountains of data to spot patterns humans miss. It predicts what customers will want by looking at sales, weather, local events, and even social media. This means restaurants order just the right amount, less waste, no shortages. AI tracks every box and bag using sensors to monitor inventory and expiration dates. When supplies run low, AI can reorder automatically. No more guesswork. Delivery routes get optimized, saving time, fuel, and keeping ingredients fresher. AI is transforming the supply chain from prediction to delivery. It's the new master chef behind the scenes. The biggest fast food chains are already serving up AI-powered experiences. McDonald's uses AI to speed up drive-thrus and predict demand, ensuring every location is ready for the rush. Domino's AI forecasts pizza sales and checks quality with a camera system, guaranteeing perfect pies every time. Chipotle uses AI to track fresh ingredients from farm to restaurant, reducing waste and keeping guacamole top-notch. Each chain uses AI differently, McDonald's for speed, Domino's for quality, Chipotle for freshness. The result? Faster service, better food, and less waste. AI isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's tailored to each brand's biggest challenges. These companies are proving that smart tech can make food tastier and service smoother. It's a winning recipe for everyone. The future of fast food is already here, and it's powered by AI. That's innovation you can taste. Worried AI will take jobs? Right now, it's more helper than replacement. AI handles the boring tasks, like inventory, so managers can focus on people and quality. Staff spend less time scrambling for ingredients and more time serving customers. Delivery drivers get smarter routes, making their jobs easier and safer. AI lets people focus on teamwork, creativity, and customer service. For businesses, AI slashes food waste and saves money. Every spoiled tomato is profit lost. Smarter inventory means fewer losses and better margins. Efficient supply chains cut fuel and admin costs, boosting sales and reinvestment. The result? Happier staff, better food, and a stronger, more sustainable industry. AI is making fast food work for everyone. Employees, businesses, and customers. That's a win-win-win. What's next for AI in fast food? The future's sizzling. Soon, supply chains will be almost fully automated, rerouting shipments to avoid spoilage before it happens. Inside restaurants, AI-powered robots are already cooking fries and flipping burgers with perfect timing. Sales data could trigger grills to start cooking just before a rush. Hyper-personalization is coming. Apps will suggest new menu items based on your tastes, even help you build custom meals. Imagine AI reminding you to add extra jalapenos to your order. Down the road, AI could invent new flavors by analyzing millions of reviews and combos. From smart supply chains to robotic chefs, the future is fast, fresh, and personalized. AI is cooking up a revolution in every bite. Get ready for a wild, delicious ride. We've seen how AI is transforming fast food, cutting waste, boosting quality, and making life easier for workers and customers. Big names like McDonald's, Domino's, and Chipotle are already using it to deliver fresher, faster, better meals. AI is the secret ingredient making kitchens less chaotic and businesses more efficient. The future promises even more robot chefs, personalized menus, and flavor innovations. This tech is quietly revolutionizing the industry, from farm to tray. Next time you grab a burger or pizza, remember the AI working behind the scenes. Are you excited about AI in your food, or does it feel a little strange? Let us know your take on this high-tech, flavor-packed future.